today I want to talk about something that has been a big part of my life, and those are vision board. Today I want to practically walk you through step-by-step process on how to create a vision board that actually works and will help you manifest the things that you want to attract into your life. So if you want to learn how to create a vision board that is pleasing and that you can be on a budget without spending much money, you can hang it simply on your wall and you enjoy watching it on a regular basis, then stick around. This video is simply made for you. Back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am YOUR Gang, and before we go into details, what is vision board? Vision board is simply a collection of pictures and quotes that truly represent the life you want to live and the things you want to have in your life. So that is what vision board is all about. And I know there are some people that go to vision board party, you read, you have watched videos, and at the end of the day you try to get one or two things together, and at some point you abandon it and all that. I have been in your shoe. That is why I make relatable videos, something that you can relate with, something that you can get around your house, and you can simply create a vision board that works. And when I talk about vision board that works, I'm not talking about vision of 20, 30, 50, 5 years, even 2 years. I'm talking about something that you can do for that year. The reason why a lot of us abandon our vision board along the way is because we go all overboard. We want to create vision for 20 years, 50 years. Yes, it's good, but you need to break it down. So let's concentrate on something you can do within a year. All right, so how do you create vision board? So before you go into details of creating, having pictures and all that for your vision, the first thing you need to do is you need to write down all your goals for the year. So what do you want to accomplish this year or next year? You need to be specific. What is that thing that you want to accomplish for that year? You need to write them down. Then the second thing you need to do is you need to pick a choice of theme or a word for the year. Like me right now, I choose the word trust for year 2022. I'm filming this video December 2021. So for my year 2022, I'm going for trust. And I'm not only stopping at that. As a believer, as a Christian, I look for a biblical verse that will back what my theme for the year is. All right, so like trust, now I go with trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he shall direct your path. Right, so that anytime by any means that I look at my vision board and I feel, how can I accomplish that, I remember the word trust. Who am I not to trust God? After all that he has done for me, he has done it for this person, he has done it for that person, and after all that I've ever needed is already in existence. So who am I not to trust? So my theme for this year is trust. So what is your theme according to your goal? So what is your theme for the year? All right, then the next thing you need to do is you need to turn your goal into images, and one place I do this is on Canva. All right, and I also create, as I create a physical vision board that I hang on my wall, I also create a digital vision board that I put on my phone. But this today is all about the physical vision board that we are going to create. But if I see people that are interested in learning how to create a visual vision board with your mobile phone and put it as your screensaver, comment below, comment vision board, comment visual vision board in the comment section, so that I will create that video for you also. All right, so then the next thing I need to do is get the picture printed in different sizes. So after you have used Canva to create your images, you can print them out. But you might not have a printer. Good and fine, I'll also show you how you can just sketch with little paper and put it and create your vision board. This is not all about what Mr. A is doing or what YOUR is not doing or what YOUR is doing. It's all about you. What do you want to accomplish this year? You can also sketch it. You don't have to go looking for magazine. You don't have to go looking for printer. You don't have to go for all the vision board party. It's not that all those things are bad. If it is within your means and within your reach, why not? If yes, but if it is not, why not make use of what you have? For what you have is more than enough. So the next thing you need to do is to assemble your vision board together, and that is why I go for this. Like right now, if you have the money, you can go for picture frame. You just remove the glass and you use the frame to stick all the things that you have created, all the image that you have sketched or the ones you have printed. And if you are printing it with a printer, kindly print it in different sizes so that it can fit in to your vision board. But if you are just like me right here, I have a printer, but I love making relatable videos, all right, so that there will be no excuses at all. So this is cardboard paper. I bought it just 15 naira, right? Okay, that is one. The second thing you need to have is you need to have a bond or a gum. So what I have right here is my children top gum, all right? They are not paying me for adverts, all right? Or you can use uhu gum, and you can get that uhu gum in bookstore. All this you can get it in a bookstore, and I think this one is 300 naira and this one is 15 naira. Those are the things I bought. And so that I will be able to hang my vision board on the wall, what I do is I also get a carton that I will cut to this size and fit in and gum it together so that it will be firm enough for me to hang. All right, here with me is my pen, my brush that I will use because so that my hands will not be dirty, then my scissors. So with me here I have this picture that I've always printed out with my Moviba t-shirt. This is my YouTube t-shirt, and here there are some people that I want to meet this year, so I make sure their picture is tidy. I have always have this with me, and here there are just my A4 paper that I will write some of my things on it that I will stick to my vision board. So here's my gum, and here is my A4 paper. Alright, and most importantly, here is a carton I just got out of a fridge carton, a very big one. So alright, so the first thing I'm going to do right now is to just take the measurement so that I will cut it off. Alright, so alright, this is just me practically doing that, and I wouldn't want to bore you with all that step, but it is me doing it myself with all my 4 kids around me because they always also do their own vision board. So just me putting it in section. I have it into 4 different sections. I use 4 A4 papers so that I'll put it one section for my personal life, one for my business, one for my YouTube, and one for my spiritual life. So this is just it. Alright, so let me quickly explain to you what is on my vision board. So as you can see this vision board right here, I use my red and blue pen, and I use almost everything here. It's something I use my hands to make it bold, to sketch it, to make it more beautiful, to be more pleasant with just what I have within and around me. So in the top right section, the theme for my 2022 is trust. Like, who am I not to trust God? And I don't want to just go with the word trust, but I also, as a believer, I get Bible passage that is backing my theme for the year, which I go with Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5 to 6, which say, trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not unto your own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy path. So I trust in God in everything that I am doing. I hand it over to him that he should direct my path. Even though I have done all this, I still completely trust that he is the only one that can help me see through all 2022. All right, and I also use Jeremiah chapter 1 verse 5, which says, before I formed thee in the belly I knew thee, and before thou comest forth out of the womb I sanctify you and ordain thee a prophet unto nations. And that is my portion. So I put this so that even as I'm doing all this on the vision board, I should trust in God and know that yes, even before he formed me in the belly, he knew that a time is coming like this, a day is coming that I'll own a YouTube channel, that I'll be impacting lives, that I'll be creating vision board like this, and I'll be helping others to accomplish a lot of things. So even though with all this, I know that God is the author and finisher of my faith, and who am I not to trust him? So that is the first section on my vision board, is my theme for the year and Bible passage or quotation that can back up what the theme of the year is. All right, so by the left section of my vision board is my business. I love business so much, and here I am wearing my Mopiba t-shirt. Mopiba stands for Mom on Point Internet Business Academy. It's an academy where I have online courses on how to kickstart your YouTube channel, and how to even learn how to edit your pictures and videos with your smartphone like a pro. I also teach how you can write and self-publish your books on Amazon, even paper book, ebook, and all that. So the academy is for you to learn how to convert your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So my Mopiba is my number one business on the internet. So, and on the Mopiba business section, as you can see right here, I put Mopiba Academy, and on it I put all the signs of the currency. I put dollars, I put naira, I put euro, I put Bitcoin, I put Ethereum, because I am into cryptocurrency seriously. And 2022 I want to go even much more deeper and invest more on cryptocurrency. So by the left is a picture of John Obidi. Is someone that I love so much. I appreciate what he do, and I hope to do business with John Obidi in 2022. I hope someone somewhere will let him know, and I will definitely reach out to him. And Edrin Edewo is another person that I respect so much in the industries. I would love to do business with Edrin Edewo, so I added them to my vision board for this year. And it's still on my business section is me receiving award, because I want to be named the most followed YouTube channel for every entrepreneur in 2022, because my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, converting your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So making money and business is what the channel is all about. So I would want to be awarded, I would want to receive award for my work in 2022 concerning my business. And this other side, still on the business page, I would love to be featured on TV stations, on radio stations, on other YouTube channels, on blogs, and all that media appearances. I would love to be featured on other people's platform concerning my business in 2022. And below it still, you see a picture of ebook. Yes, so this is me saying that I'm going to write another book aside from all the books that I've been writing in 2022. And still on my business page, I would love, right now I have less than 1,000 followers on IG, so I would love to grow my following up to 10,000 followers on IG. And in the money aspect of it, I would love by the end of 2022 I should earn up to 200,000 USD. I am that specific, and so help me God. So that is the business aspect of my vision board for 2022. So as you can see in the center, in the middle of it, my 2022 is boldly written on it, and of course I use my hands to sketch it. So in the third side, on the downside of the vision board, as you can see, is my YouTube. This section is for my YouTube, because YouTube is just everything for me. I have been everywhere before, and it was as if I'm nowhere. Not until when I take my YouTube channel seriously, everything started falling into pleasant places. So here is my YouTube, and my YouTube, of course, the channel name is YOUR. So right here, by the end of 2022, I hope to reach 60,700 subscribers. Yes, and I want to be the most followed YouTube channel for every entrepreneur. And if you have been watching my video from the start till up until this video, I had always used phone to film my video. So as you see, there is this Sony camera that I am really interested in, so I would want to have that for my YouTube. All right, so that's my YouTube channel. And again, under YouTube, I hope to do a lot of collaboration with other YouTubers. That means I am open to be invited to speak on other people, on other YouTubers channel. So if you want to invite me for a Q&A, for interview, or to even share with your audience, if you happen to be a YouTuber and you're watching me right now, you should know that I am open for that. to come 2022. All right, so the fourth section of my vision board is my personal section. So right here, as you can see, the picture of Oprah Winfrey and Sonny Lenuduzi. These are two women that inspire me a lot and they motivate me a lot, most especially Sonny motivates me to start my YouTube channel, so I'm so grateful. And sometimes when I feel like giving up, when I look at these two women, they motivate me a lot. It gives me hope that even though I am not there yet, I can also be there. All right, so and then the next one is Dubai. I would love to visit Dubai in 2022, and with the tallest building in the world, right? And then by the side is me on vacation with my children. I would love to visit Dubai with my children. And also I want to go for my masters. I have a BSc in entrepreneurship and business management, so I would love to start my master's program in entrepreneurship and business management. All right, because if you have been following me for a while now, you know that I've always loved to become a lecturer. I love teaching, so I want my old age, even if when all this is no more there, I should be able to, I don't want to be a liability. So even when I'm 70, 80, 90, I would love to be in a classroom teaching people, and I am already preparing myself for that, so that when that time comes, even if it's just a part-time, I hope that when I clock 40, 45, I should take a lecturing job, maybe part-time or something. So for that, I want to go for my master's in entrepreneurship and business management. Down below is my car. Like, I so much love Toyota RAV4 crossover SUV, the gray color to be precise, with the brown leathers, chairs. So that is my dream car. Come 2022, I hope to achieve this. I don't know how possible it is, but all I know is that I have set my intention and I've put it out there, and I don't want to be worried about how it will come, but one thing I know for sure is that it will come. All right, that is why it's a vision board. All right, and then below it is my Bible verse again, Proverbs chapter 22 verse 18. Surely there is a future hope for you, and your expectation shall not be cut short. All right, so that when in doubt, this version, whenever I look at my vision board, I know the expectations are high, but my expectation shall not be cut short. All right, that is the word of God concerning me. That's the prophecy of God concerning me and concerning you too, that they are watching me right now. So this is my vision board for 2022. So thank you so much for watching. If by any means you have gotten something from this video, kindly give me a like. It means a lot to me. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of the video. And if you have your own vision or your goal for 2022, or maybe you can't create a vision board like this one, you can just write it down in the comment section. I will come get them every end of the month, and I'll be praying about it. I really mean this from the bottom of my heart. I've always been doing this for a while now, for a few years now, for my friends and I, that we used to put our goals, our what we want to achieve or accomplish for the year, and we pray about it, and it has been so wonderful. So I was like, since this thing really worked for me, why not let me try it with all my fans, my followers, my subscribers, my viewers right here on YouTube. So you can drop in the comment section, drop what are your goals or what are the things you want to accomplish come 2022. So this is pretty much my vision board for 2022. So I hope you have gotten something out of it, and I'm so happy that you are here. Please, if you have enjoyed one or two things from this video, kindly give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so, so that you will help us get to this one right here, so that we'll get to 60,700 subscribers. Thank you so much. You can share the video with your loved ones. You can join us in the community. I post videos on entrepreneurship, on online business, make money online, and how to convert your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So thank you so much. Bye.